In assessing a baby, the first thing I'm going to do is just look at his posture. I want to see that he's pretty straight, he's looking pretty even, he's not rotated one way or the other, yeah, and he's not laterally flexing his head at all. And we're going to go ahead and feel the hips, make sure there's no clicking or restriction, which feel good in both rotated clockwise and counterclockwise. I'm going to check his head. I always like to make sure that the head is nice and rounded. We're going to check the sphenoid bone, which I'm finding a little restriction, so I'm going to go ahead and work on that on the right-hand side. I want to feel for his atlas. I'm finding a little right rotated atlas, so with very gentle pulsations. I'm going to pulsate. It's just lateral. And I want to feel his clavicles to make sure that there's no fractures from birth. What I'm going to do is check the gluteal fold. His gluteal fold is deviating a little bit to the right, so I'm going to hold the lobing contact, the sacrotuberous contact, and just go ahead and hold that, and work my way up his spine. Recheck. Easy, perfect. And I'm going to feel his thoracics to see, I am feeling a little right side on the TP and T6. So just like that. And then I'm going to do a little bit of cranial work just to make sure that his occiput. I want to feel his occipital fibers. I'm just going to check all the cranial bones to make sure that they're nice and movable and that he has a nice ease with each breath that he takes. A nice, easy baby adjustment.